Hello everybody, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back again to another Obonge gist again. For today, we dey talk about this our lady when she say she cry come outside say her husband fight for divorce after she was raped in presence of her husband. Now her husband dey fight for divorce. They fight for divorce. Say he no want marry this lady again. So according to the story, when we say this lady by herself right come outside because she's traumatized, because she need help, she don't know what to do. She says she don't want to leave her husband. Now what actually happened be saying this lady, she said she married her husband, say she still be virgin when she married her husband. So 8 years they can't get 2 children together. This lady says she don't know what that they call orgasm. She don't know if person they come, if lady they come. She don't know all waiting. She know that just open, close. That's all. Now he said during Easter period, they can't travel go her husband village. She said as they can't reach there at about 1 o'clock for midnight. So all these armed robbers they can't burst into their house. They carry what they want carry. They carry their money, every valuable things for when they the house and they come pack her. She said they pack all those things not reach her. The leader of the gang come rape her. She said as they rape her, so they can't tie her husband for share. Make her husband they watch wetin dey happen. She said as the leader of the gang they rape her, she said at least as they rape her, she's supposed to dey feel pain. She said but the thing turned around that she was actually enjoying it. She said she enjoy and die. She said now through that rape, now she tell no say woman they come. Now she tell no say woman get orgasm. Now she tell no say woman they climax or wetin they call her. She said okay. She said she was enjoying it to the extent say she can't even dey hold the armed robber. She dey beg them. She dey beg the guy, make the guy do harder, make the guy not stop. And her husband dey there, they wash. She said two rounds now the guy do. He said for that 2 rounds when the guy do, she come, she enjoy ram. She said so as the armed robbers come out with anger, now her husband come pour beating, basbo for this lady body. He said the husband come beat her, like seriously beating. She can go end up for hospital. She said now when she the hospital bed now the man that is her husband leave her for village, go city, go write a divorce paper, they wait am for house. She said when she can't wake up, when they can't discharge her for hospital, 9 people around, the family members come to talk say see wetin happen, see wetin you do, your husband don't come out with vaccination. So as she can't go back to city, her husband come to say he no want again, make the divorce. Say because that attitude when this lady talk, or when this lady, the way she take behave when we say strangers dey rape her, the way she say endurance, the way she dey scream, oh my God, do harder, don't stop. The husband say na because say she dey endurance, now make them do am 2 rounds. So now the woman come say she no know, make the man sorry. The man say he no dey do again, make the woman comot. So my people, the question when we say now, is the man right to divorce his wife because of that? If me, my own opinion for this matter be say the relationship not go smooth again. As long as say the woman don't test, you don't know say there is sweetness, another side of sweetness inside this thing. When be say her husband no fit give for 8 years, the marriage, even if say the marriage stay, the woman will be prone to go and cheat. Except say they go for sex therapy, or so that make the man improve. If the man, because 8 years of marriage, the woman say he never experienced such love before, such sex, what they call her, he never experienced them before. And he said she no want leave her marriage. she love the man, she no want leave the marriage, make the man beg, make the man forgive. So then she said she don't go call family member, make they beg this man. The man say he no dey agree again, say he no trust the wife again, say the wife no be wife material. You understand? Say no be wife material. He say because at the rape her, she suppose they make him feel say, say she dey feel pain, like screaming, like begging them to stop. Instead of her begging them to stop, she was actually begging them to continue. He said because of that one, he no go green again. Make the woman come up, go her father's side. My people, how una want to settle this matter? Now make some people they talk say, before you marry, try as much as possible. And maybe not because say she married when she did virgin, she never really try, how the thing be. Just unfortunate say she can't see the other side through raping. You understand? And if she did remember that kind of sweetness, that that faithful day when they rape her, she did not be say she was not actually traumatized, she was enjoying it, and she can't remember those things, she will be prone to go outside and go and go cheat. So I think the best they can do in this matter is just to see some therapists to see if they can make the marriage work. If not, may they all go their separate way. That is it. So guys, what do you want to think? We're going to leave them from the comment section. Okay, guys? Bye.